Willkommen zurück bei Life is Strange Episode 4. Ich check gleich mal die Lage, ob es hier irgendwo ein Foto gibt.
Hey Daniel, you look bummed out. Are you alright?
Hola Max. I just figured out that my photos basically suck. I'm a wannabe artist.
Don't give up that easy. Just stay away from your
Das
sketchbook
T-Shirt.
for a while.
Warum?
You need to keep taking the shot, as Mr. Jefferson says.
Stay away from my sketchbook? You don't know me, Max. That's like you staying away from your camera. I think I'll just sit here bummed out, thanks.
Tja, das hat wohl nicht so ganz geholfen.
Justin, it's been so long since I've seen you.
Chloe fits in so easy with Justin.
Ich bin mir sicher, dass man irgendwo das Totem fotografieren kann. Ich weiß nur nicht wann.
One photo. For posterity.
Kann auch sein, dass es das Foto hier war.
I don't think the Tobanga will ever give up any secrets to us.
That's so ironic that Warren asked Mac.
Hey Brooke, how are you?
I'm here as usual. By the way, thanks for helping Kate down. Are you okay?
I might feel better taking your drone for a quick flight.
Miss Grant finally gave up and let me fly her again. But you're going to the drive-in with Warren, so you don't have time to fly my drone.
Really? I can't fly your drone because I'm going to see ape movies with Warren?
You are perceptive, Max. Now, excuse me. My drone needs me.
Ja, die findet es nicht so geil, dass ich mit dem Warren so viel Zeug mache.
How would you like a partner for a quick photo op?
Ah,
That's so ironic that Warren asked Max to the drive-in. Talk to you later, Max.
gucken, wie ich noch ein Eichhörnchen dahin krieg. Ah, guck mal hier.
Did you think you could hide from Max Caulfield, squirrel paparazzi?
I had to clear away another batch of dead birds today. Sad. How are you doing, Max? Been a tough week. I know.
Yes, it has, Samuel. How are you?
Sad and confused like everybody else in Arcadia Bay. You look like you have a lot of questions, too.
I definitely have questions about what's happening to the animals in Arcadia Bay.
Oh, many do. These poor creatures have no choice in what happens to them.
Well, I'm glad to see your squirrels are still healthy and happy on the campus.
Me too. If something happened to them... Oh,
Not as long as you're here to take care of them, Samuel.
the only thing that calms them is food. Lots of food. Which reminds me that I have to feed them now.
Ich kann mich noch erinnern, dass bei der Xbox One sich hier mein Spiel aufgehängt hat damals. Genau an der Stelle. Musste ich alles nochmal machen. Traurig, aber wahr.
Climate change isn't real my ass.
How would you like a partner for a quick photo op?
As a scientist, I'm fascinated. As Michelle Grant, I'm very worried.
Get that food in your belly.
Scared too. Look at the weather. And the animals.
Not
Wie's
to
abgeht, das
mention
Eichhörnchen.
Mars.
So, und jetzt,
We
wie
all
kann ich ein
look
Foto
out for
machen?
each other these days.
Ah! Na also. So, damit wäre das auch erledigt.
Hello, Max. Thanks again for helping me.
No need to go there now.
Ah, okay. Ich habe gedacht, ich könnte da jetzt schon rein.
Hi, Miss Grant.
Max, you always show up when I'm talking about you. I'm still bragging about you and the other students making Blackwell surveillance free.
I was looking for Nathan Prescott, and I thought he might be in your class.
Mr. Prescott has no class at all after his suspension. I didn't think you were friends.
hell no. Sorry, Miss Grant.
You're an adult. You can swear, damn it. And I'm glad you did.
So, you haven't seen Nathan at all?
Let's just say I try not to, Max. But I did catch him storming off campus. After what happened this week, I hope you don't see him either. You're not the best student here, but you might be the wisest.
Irgendwie sitzt mein Headset komisch, meine Kopfhörer.
I don't think surveillance would have helped Kate Marsh.
Who needs surveillance when we have Maxine Caulfield? You did a wonderful thing. And now we have to make sure Kate gets the help she needs. Do you need to talk to a counselor?
Nee.
No thanks, Miss Grant. I have my best friend and my parents. For now.
I'm happy to hear that, Max. Just don't ever be afraid to talk to somebody, okay? I wish Kate had come to me. I had no idea what she was going through.
Kate was drugged at the Vortex Club party and bullied by them until she ended up on the roof. How do you stop that?
Shut down that damn Vortex Club for a start. I don't mean to get riled up, but that party should have been postponed. It's extremely tasteless given what happened with Kate.
Do the Prescotts have anything to do with the Vortex Club? I mean, they don't get all their money from car washes.
No, they don't. But membership has its privileges. Especially when your father is Blackwell's biggest sponsor. This elitist nonsense has no place here.
You're right. I just wish this could be the school that I dreamed about before I came here.
I hear you, Max. I love seeing you and Warren and all my students at your best here. But you're all too young to be so cynical. But you truly give me hope.
I was hoping you could explain some of these crazy things happening in Arcadia Bay.
If I could, I'd be collecting my Nobel Prize in Science today. I haven't been able to wrap my mind around that eclipse, much less the snow in Wales.
I think this is beyond science.
Nothing is beyond science except for our lack of knowledge. We may never know why, but that doesn't change reality.
I am worried about reality. I feel like it's changing right in front of us.
You and Samuel both. We were talking about that before you came over. Our planet is changing, but it's not mystic. It's erosion.
You think that's why all these animals are dying here?
Well, our shoreline has been receding, not to mention the daily contamination of the ocean. That's all you need to kill off sea and wildlife here. Unless you know something I don't.
What about wormholes and chaos theory? Like time travel stuff.
The only wormholes in Arcadia Bay are underground. And chaos theory is just that. But if this is about time travel, sign me up.
Would you really change time?
Not after reading that Bradbury story, A Sound of Thunder. I won't give it away, but it involves dinosaurs and butterflies. Time is like a thread, Max. One tug and it all can unravel.
I'm sorry, Miss Grant. I have to get going. I'll see you later.
It's always good talking to you, Max.
Good. Nathan is not around. I should go back to Chloe.
Ich finde die klasse, die Miss Grant. Ich muss ganz kurz weg, bin gleich wieder da. So, da bin ich wieder. Entschuldigung, Telefon hat geklingelt. Da musste ich kurz weg. Gehen wir doch direkt zu Chloe.
Coast is clear. It would be so cool if you and me were going to school here together.
But now you can have Mr. Jefferson all to yourself.
Ah, you suck. Now let's get into Blackwell Ninja mode.
It's so lame they don't have co-ed dorms here.
Yes, because I want Nathan Prescott in the room next door.
Good point.
Wait here. Give me the signal if Nathan or anybody shows up.
I won't let you down, Batmax.
Pat Max.
Now I just have to find Nathan's room.
So, das sollte ja kein allzu großes Problem sein.
Even after Kate, nobody here learned anything about bullying.
Wenn man gerade an den Teufel denkt, gell? Diese Emojis. Eieiei.
Kate brings it. So, room 111 is the magic number.
111, 107. Hier.
This can only be Nathan's room. Now I need to find Nathan's phone, or anything with clues.
Ich vermute mal, dass es hier ziemlich
I thought
abgefuckt
Victoria
wird.
had the photo bling, but once again, the Prescott's rule. That monochrome camera is brand new and cost about $6 grand. Bastard.
Medikamente.
I don't think this prescription has helped Nathan. Let's see what Nathan hides in here. Nathan is way into this party. Bad sign. Oh, bastard. Now I remember why I hate you. And why Kate will get justice.
Kate's gone wild, ey.
Oh man. Sean Prescott might be Nathan's real problem. Too bad Nathan isn't more like his sister. She sounds awesome. And far away. Yes, Nathan sure needs diet pills. This is strong stuff.
Extremer Appetithemmer.
Wow.
Leck mich am Arsch.
Kiss ass much, Principal Wells?
Ja, die haben alle Respekt vor der Family, gell? Obwohl es die größten Wichser sind.
Holy shit. That's the gun Nathan used on Chloe. A gift from... Nathan likes his tortured subjects way too much. These films all have a dark pattern.
Das ist echt gestört, ey.
Oh man, that dickhead stole one of my selfies.
Vielleicht liebt er uns ja oder irgend so eine kranke Sache, ey.
That looks like a totally fun show. Even Nathan has a light side. What the hell are all those marks on the floor?
Ja, da ist wohl was hinter der Couch versteckt. Ich guck mich aber erst noch kurz um, was es hier noch zu sehen gibt.
I really hope they were all consenting models. That is so Chloe. Oh my god. Chloe. Oh, Chloe.
What the fuck?
Whale songs? Maybe this is the only soothing thing Nathan ever hears.
Hat der vielleicht die Wale an den Strand gezogen, ne?
That must be the lamp Chloe broke when Nathan drugged her. This room is like Nathan's mind. Damn, Nathan. That's a nice shot. If only all your energy went into photography. It's so damn creepy, but The guy has his own style.
So, verschieb mal
Let's
das
find
Sofa.
out what you're hiding.
Ah ja.
Oh yes, little phone. You are mine now. Now I have Nathan's phone, so I can show it to Chloe. Well, before Nathan comes back.
Es hätte mich nicht gewundert, wenn er jetzt direkt vor der Tür stehen wird. Sorry, ich bin ein kleines bisschen heiser. Hab einen kleinen Frosch im Hals, weiß jetzt zwar nicht warum, aber es ist halt so. Was ist denn das für ein Bild? Ei. Auf geht's, abhauen.
Damn, Max, you're finally back. I got worried. So, what did you find?
His room was clean and creepy. Check this out.
Boom, Nathan. We got you by the balls, fucker.
What are you doing in my dorm? You're such a nosy bitch, Max.
Stop right there, Nathan.
Make me, ho. Max, I got this. Get the fuck out of my face.
Der hat gesessen, ey.
You are so fucking dead! Get off me, bro!
Schalten auf, glaube ich.
Warren, stop it! Come on.
Oh, my head. Why are y'all looking at me like that, huh? You and you're all dead!
Let's go, now.
Plus, my dad is on his way. You're all fucked. He owns you.
Even if Nathan definitely deserved a beating, we should try to be better than that.
Was hätte ich denn jetzt noch machen können? Egal. Kennt ihr Leute, die genauso sind? Würde mich mal interessieren. Von Beruf Sohn und Spezialität größter Wichser. So Leute gibt's ja wirklich, das ist das Schlimme an dieser Welt.
Damn, that was intense. Warren, thank you so much.
For what?
For headbutting Nathan Prescott. That was awesome.
I don't know. I almost went crazy there. Like Nathan.
You're not anything like him.
Good to know. So where are you going? I better stick with you guys. Just in case you need me to get my Hulk on again. Or should I call the cops on Nathan?
No police. Not yet. So maybe you better,
Warren, me and Max have to do this on our own. No offense.
It's cool. Whatever I can do to help.
What you can do is find out anything you can about Nathan's father.
I'm on it. Between the snow and eclipse, I'm assuming the apocalypse is around the corner.
And thank you. Seriously. I'll call you later.
You better. I'm feeling pretty alpha now.
Yes, you are.
Man, that guy is so fucking in love with you.
I know.
He really did give a serious beatdown to Nathan.
It was a little scary to watch him do that.
Now let's make a date with Frank.
Will he even answer you?
Frank always answers when he wants money. Like I said, Frank wants to see me right now.
Let's not keep him waiting.
Oh, jetzt könnte es spannend werden. Frank der Psycho. Auf geht's.
I hate seeing those poor whales like that.
Me too. I just think of their families in the ocean out there looking for them. Well, that asshole's gonna help us find Rachel. You know what would be great? If I still had a gun.
Yes, the chance for gunplay would just about even the odds here.
Frank would scare better. He's a pussy. Besides, if I take him out, you can just rewind.
Chloe, do not count on my rewind. Seriously. After Kate, I feel like every time I do it might be the last.
There's no way we could have guessed this is what would happen to us when we grew up.
I'm looking forward to the day when we can just go on a road trip to Portland.
Fuck yeah. You, me, and Rachel.
Absolutely. So let's play this cool, okay? Just talk to Frank so we can get that code for the book from him. That's all.
Got it. No dicking around.
Let's roll. The forest seemed quiet. No sign of life. Or deer.
Ich bin sehr gespannt, was jetzt passieren wird.
There might not be any Pan Estates by Saturday.
Weil um ehrlich zu sein, weiß ich es gar nicht mehr. Von daher,
I may not know quantum speak, but there has to be an explanation.
Da ging doch ein Foto, ich hab's gewusst. Okay.
It blows my mind that I was just here with Chloe in an alternate reality.
Stimmt, ja. Da war man ja, wie sie im Rollstuhl war.
Take the trash out sometime, dude.
Ja, wenigstens liegt er nicht drin rum.
This is where Frank ponders his existence and gets drunk.
Okay, checken wir mal die Lage.
Can't see inside with this shit blocking the view.
Oder auch nicht.
Oh, look. The Wonder Twins. You should have come alone.
She's my partner.
Yeah, we're bodyguard. So let's get to business. Where's my fucking money?
I don't have the money. Yet.
Oh, really? Then why did you text me that you did?
Because I wanted to tell you in person.
Oh, I'm truly touched, Chloe. Now why are you losers really here?
We just want to ask you some questions.
You have some serious lady balls. No. Jesus, okay. But I'm not getting you high.
Frank, we're not here to get high.
No, you don't look like the type. Not like Chloe here. So what do you hardy boys want?
Just the names of some of your clients.
Oh, is that all? Oh, well, why didn't you just tell me? How about I just give you the keys to my RV while I'm at it?
Nur zur Vorwarnung. Die Stelle hier wird ätzend. Ihr habt 100.000 Möglichkeiten, alles falsch zu machen. Jetzt fällt mir es auf einmal wieder ein, wie beschissen das war. Schauen wir mal.
You don't get it, man. This is for a good cause.
No, man, I do not get it. Especially from a weirdo like you. You know, I hate the way you talk to me like you know more than I do.
No, I'm not.
Oh, Christ, I hate you Blackwell shits. You expect everything for free. You're not getting any handouts from me. I work for a living, you understand?
Yes, Frank. Without those Blackwell shits as customers, you wouldn't have any work at all. Dude, you're a drug dealer.
You snobby whores. Don't come into my home and judge me. That's why I go to church. And you want something from me? How about a blade up the ass, huh?
Calm down, Frank.
Let's just talk.
Not ever tell me what to do.
Whoa!
Get off of me!
Motherfucker!
Das lief schon mal
I better
scheiße.
rewind right now.
Ah, hopp, mach schneller. Ah, jetzt wird's ätzend, weil ich jedes Mal bei jeder falschen Antwort wieder komplett zurückspulen muss und alles nochmal neu machen muss. Ah, Futternapf.
Oh, fresh meat. So Pompadour must be okay. Good doggy. Listen, Chloe. I can tell you for a fact that this will not go well.
Max, I should have known you would be kind and rewind. So tell me exactly what I need to do here.
Was sag ich denn?
Please watch your mouth. You have no social skills here, and you will piss off Frank immediately.
You kind of love this, don't you? Fine, I'll try being like you for a change. Or how you used to be. I don't have the money.
Ich sag mal kein Streit.
Thanks for hearing me out, Frank. Look, we only want to talk, and it's not even about you. We're not here to start a fight.
No, that shit would be over pretty fast. Don't fuck with me, and I won't return the favor. So what do you want?
Das ist doch
Just
schon
the
mal gut.
names of some of your clients.
Oh, is that all?
Tut mir leid.
Listen, Frank. I'm sorry to be such a nuisance, but this is important.
Yeah, everything's important these days. But I can tell you're not bullshitting me.
There's no time for that, Frank. I just need a little bit of information.
Yeah, well, it always starts with just a little. And Chloe here knows all about that, don't you?
Come on, Frank, this isn't about me now.
Yeah, right, okay. Both of you are giving me a headache. No deal.
Frank, we didn't come here to fight. This is so much bigger than us.
Oh yeah, you didn't come here to fight. A day after you pulled a fucking gun on me.
I am so sorry about that. It might be the dumbest thing I've ever done. And I've done a lot of dumb things this week.
Finally, I believe you. But don't ever aim a gun at anybody unless you intend to kill. Although you don't look like you could kill a bug.
I try not to. And I never would have pulled the trigger. I was just...
Dude, she was scared, all right? You pulled your blade on me. We were all freaked out. Now we're all cool. Please?
Okay, we're cool for now. But my dog isn't. And if you try any shit, he will bite your head off. He's done it before.
We're only here to talk. I wouldn't
Lieber
mess
Hund.
with your dog.
Shit, you wouldn't have time. You like dogs?
Pompidou ist süß.
Oh, Pompadour is so cute.
The only way you know my dog's name is if you broke into my RV. That's how we got out. You did it. Are you crazy? That's my dog.
Wait, that's not what...
Seriously, Frank, don't get all spun out. We're only here to find Rachel.
Rachel isn't in here, and I'll spin you on your ass. What the fuck are you dorks up to, huh? Trying to break into my business? This time, the price is wrong, skank.
Calm down, Frank. Let's...
Dreht er wieder durch, ey. Scheiße. Das ist das, was ich meine, ne? Könnte jetzt noch eine Weile dauern. Gerettete Hunde?
Of course I do. I heard you even rescued a bunch of fight dogs. That's amazing.
No, alright, it was just the right thing to do. I couldn't stand to see those poor animals treated like slaves. That's how I came to own Pompadour.
That's very cool, Frank. Your dog is lucky you came along.
Maybe we can focus on rescuing Rachel now?
Rachel? Is that why you're really here?
Yes, we're so close to finding her now, Frank. We need all the help we can get now. Especially from you.
You and Chloe do not know Rachel like I did, and I couldn't even help her. You're in way over your heads. Why don't you just go play in your clubhouse?
Ich frag nach dem Armband. Scheiß drauf.
You have Rachel's bracelet. You obviously know more than you're telling. So tell us.
Never come into my home and tell me what to do.
Dreht wieder durch.
Man,
Dreht
there
wieder
is
durch.
something about you that is so wrong. I don't trust you at all. Now get out of my face.
We don't have much time, Frank. Rachel needs you.
It's too late. She's gone. You don't even know her.
Like you did? I loved her, asshole. And she loved me. I know that.
Chloe, you don't know shit. You were part of her problem. Always trying to take her away from me. Always.
Calm down, Frank.
Nee. Ah. Wir sind wieder bei den Hunden. Ich habe das jetzt rausgeschnitten, weil das dauert einfach viel zu lang. Gerettete Hunde, genau.
No.
So, wir überspringen die Scheiße wieder.
Yes.
You and Chloe.
Oh, das ist so ätzend, dass man jeden Satz... du kennst Rachel?
Frank, you knew Rachel almost better than anybody. And you know more than us. Together we could find her. Do you have anything to lose?
When Rachel vanished, I pretty much lost everything. I can't stand not knowing where she is. Not hearing her voice or her laugh anymore.
We can change all that. It's up to you.
Help us find her, Frank. Please. We really need your client list.
Well, if there's a chance in hell, you two dorks can find Rachel. Yeah, I'll take it. My dog isn't barking at you, so I guess that's a good sign.
Wir haben es geschafft. Gott sei Dank. Das eben war eine Fliege übrigens. Hier, die ist rumgeflogen.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Frank. Seriously.
It's hard to take you characters seriously, but I want to. Good luck.
Nach viel hin und her hat es doch endlich funktioniert. Gott sei Dank.
That was cool Frank gave up the code to help us. Rachel must have seen something good in him.
Okay, Freunde, und an der Stelle beende ich diesen Part von Life is Strange auch wieder. Ich hoffe, euch hat es Spaß gemacht. Wir sehen uns beim nächsten Mal. Ciao.